Ready? Let's go.
Hi guys, niphi izani apha sana zange ndaphoxeka kanje elifini.
Yeah, I love it when my life's like, like this. I love it when my life's like, like this. Love it when my life's like this. I love it when my life's like this. When my life's like this. I love it when my life's like this. I said I love it when my life's like.
Bafu ngisasebhizi kakhulu nje. Engibhizi bafu, ngibhizi.
Hey guys, it's your girl Ucutie Cula, Ucutie Side Girl, and I am back with another super dope video. Guys, uyazalwa. It's his birthday tomorrow, guys. Guys, angifuni ukwenza noise because this is a surprise birthday. Guys, I'm planning to do something very small, very cozy, guys, for him. So I am planning that tomorrow I'm gonna be going to work because today is the 17th of February. So I'm gonna go to work tomorrow, and then when we are coming back from work, I'm gonna organize with his friend that can he come up with something. I try to keep her busy. And then after, I think once I'm done with the planning, like yonke into say right, all the preparations, then I will WhatsApp the friend and tell the friend that he can let him come back here. So I don't know how it's gonna go, but that is what I have in mind. So right now I don't want to be loud because he's around the house, so he might end up hearing ukuthi kwenzakalani. I pretended as if I'm going to bath, so yeah, I'm gonna go in bath, but I decided that, you know what, let me start with opening this birthday vlog, guys. Love inyanga yothando ke sana lena February. Siyathanda guys. Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful. That's all I can tell you. Anyway, let me not make this intro very long. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, guys. My boyfriend, yes, today is the 18th of February 2025. So guys, I have been planning a smolanyana cozy surprise birthday party, ne? It's not even a party because it's only party for two, me and him. So what I did, I spoke with his friend so that I can be able to leave him at work, and then I can be able to come back alone asale, so that I can be able to organize or ndenza ama preparations. Then after again ndikwazi umbiza abuye, uyabo. So I won't waste any time. I need to work very quick, very quick, guys. And because right now it's already late, yabo. So let me just get into the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Sine brand new problem, guys. Lo mntu nanku epaka apha phansi guys nomngani wakhe bapake apha ngaphandle and uyehla. Yo guys, ndithini guys? Guys, I'm way too far from ama preparation. I do not even understand ba uyaphi, and umngani wakhe wesipart of it akacommunicateanga. He did not even inform me ukuthi uyeza or and guys, before andive, and let us come up with something. Ndizothina kanene. Yo.
Baby. Yo. Joma, why so ma? Yeah. Hey, hey, Tom. Ozo. Come sit. Yeah, I know. I think I need. Ma bothi wena usazingena mos. Hey. Shito na mapering. Yeah. Sajola ne? Yeah. Poco. No poco.
Uyamosha.
Yo. Yeah. Yes, and a boy. Boy. Yeah. Yo.
Later.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Eh? Uyazi ukuthi ngiyathanda lady. Ile dress le. Emsimanga mfethu ngisasebusy bafo, ngisasebusy kakhulu nje. Engibusy bafo, ngibusy kakhulu bafo. Yeah, ngizokufonela manje. Ngiyabonga baby man.
Happy birthday.
Washo taso.
Happy birthday to you.
This is thought. This is the new. Now ngishayile Joe like yo. Mayisola like so. Yeah.
Afuna isusu.
Baby. La ususile ne.
Confront the situation in front of us, and I think it's time we talk it out and forget all the fuss. And if it's not me, I'll have to understand, and I'll be out your way. No drama involved, but if you feel it's me, if you feel I'm the one, you're gonna need a going for me to see. But as for me, you're the one in my heart. Time won't come till the end, I'ma always be right by your side. But as for me, you're the one in my heart. Time won't come till the end, I'ma always be right by your side. I know you're the one. I know our time will come. I feel it in my heart. I see you in my dreams. I keep you in my prayers.
Like this. I love it when my life's like this. Love it when my life's like this. I love it when my life's like this. When my life's like this.
Zani
I
apha
love it when my
sana.
life's like this. I said I love it when my life's like.
Kanje sana empilweni. Hey guys, ukuthemba umuntu. Hi guys, sana ke ndiniphe i-update about i-birthday surprise izolo. Hey, sure. Okay guys, you remember izolo bendibusy ngisenza i-birthday surprise ntontoni yabo, and then ndani inform ba hey ngathi ngxaki khona ne. So this is what happened. Day before yesterday, I spoke with his friend, and then I explained to his friend like what is it that I want, ne? Ukuthi ngifuna ukumsurprise, and where he is standing, he doesn't know anything, and whenever he is talking about birthday yakhe, I'm always dismissing him. I'm always giving him the impression that I really don't care, like I really don't look forward to it, like there is nothing that I have in mind. Andiphethanga nto esandleni, andizinanto etafuleni, uyabo? So he had that in mind ukuthi hayi, like ibirthday yabo is the least of my worries. So ndahlala naye ke ndami-explainela ndamcela ndifuna umsurprise and ndicela angamphi kwatlu, angamhlebeli, angathi ithini ukuhlebele kancinci uba kuzokwenza ntoni and then u-act a surprise. Like I didn't want that. And then I asked him ukuthi, are you gonna be able to do that? And then he, like nge-confidence guys, wathi ewe uzawukwazi uyenza yonke le nto. Okay ke fine, xa siphuma emsebenzini ndizi-actise ndize nestory, ndiqoma ndishiya imoto yam ekuseni ngenjongo guys, andifuna uhamba naye because ukhe ndahamba naye iplan yam ayizubhasa, uyabo? So ndishiya imoto yam and then sihambe ngeyakhe. Xa ndipha emsebenzini ke ngoku ndiqoma makhe ndizapha nestory, yabo? Ndize nestory uba hayi mna ndifuna uhamba kwathini, and then his friend eze nestory sokuthi mele like amkhuphe since ibirthday yakhe bayosela mhlawumbi 1 nyana or 2 nyana, yabo? So athi yena mandimlinde uyonqena uyosela ini, but I manage ukuthi ndenzeni, ndihambe ndithathe imoto yakhe ndihambe. So ngoku at this point akanamoto, udepende kwi-friend yakhe, which makes the plan easier because ke ngoku ufriend nguye ke ngoku ozokwazi ukumenzisa i-round around, uyabo? Hayi ke sana ndileqise ngapha ndinayo nento yovuthela ibhaluni ndihambe ndiye egarage. Hey guys, ibingelo ilanga lam man, ezinye zigqabhuke, abantu basegarage caba bazimpompe kakhulu and but ke the bottom line guys, kude kube ngathi kuyahlangana. Ndisebhizi ke sana ndisavuthela ezinye, ndisebhizi ndisaprepare. Didn't I hear imoto ka-friend ipaka ngaphandle? For intoni ke ngoku ipakelani ngaphandle, kwenzeka ntoni? Xa ndibangathi sana nanku brothers, umbuyisile ufriend ephila, umbuyisa njani ndingekatsho uba ungamzisa? Umbuyisa njani? Like guys, like ndicela nini explainele, make it make sense ukuthi ndikuxelela uba I'm surprising this person, and then make sure ukuthi lo muntu lo akezi apha, akasondeli kwawusondela apha. So uphuncuka njani, and the worst part of it adelive nguwe. Yo, hayi sana ndaqomba yazi intoni, ndiyabila ke ngoku, I don't understand, ananoba mani besathini, ndidibanise ntoni nantoni, ndaleqisa ke sana ba angadangene kwalapha endlini. Then I had to come up with the story ndimcela ukuthi ayondilandela, ndimcela bayondilandela enye into, yabo? So I had to make a plan B ke ngoku, plan number 2 ukuthi aphinda ayolityaziswa somewhere, uyabo? Nyani ke angafuni guys, angafuni abe efuna ungena abe ndixelela into ba okay ke yithi athathe ithi athathe i-power bank, ndithi ke mna ke ndikwazi umntwana ba mayenze ne-power bank ndimnikeze. So ndibe ndicomplaina ngexesha, uba yo hayi ixesha lo bendingenawo namehlo omjonga guys, because I could not understand, I could not even like ndizama ukwazi binoba ingayintoni isizathu esingaba valid ukuthi angakwazi ukumconvince otherwise ukuthi makengezi apha, knowing very well ba kwenzeka ntoni apha, yabo? And at some point guys ke mna nokhalala kwam besendihalela ukuthi hayi andisadlali bethunani, ngena endlini bona half done wakho ke we-birthday. Like I didn't know guys what to do, I didn't know at that point ukuthi what must I do. But ke either way siyatyhudisa guys, uyakhumbula mosineyazi kule channel kuyatyhudiswa. So ndaqoba yazi intoni, ithi ndisebenzise mna ke ngoku igama lam, ndilandele igama lam ndityhudise sathi ndatyhudisa ke sana. So ke till ke uguy ade abe uyahamba, and then ke ngokwanyanzeleka ke ngoku uba ndigxabhagxabhise ke ngoku ndigxabhagxabhise, because I can see uba imeko ibhokoxile sana, ibhokoxile imeko ayisamanga kakuhle. But either way nyani ke shem ndimane ndizicommunicatela naye ke ngoku ngefone ngoma okay mandimane ndimcheckishe uba uphi, because umngani wakhe I didn't receive a message, I didn't receive a call, I didn't receive anything just to give me a clue ukuthi lo muntu lo ufuna ubuya, or lo muntu lo uyabuya, or lo muntu lo uyangisokolisa, or ndisendleleni ndiyamzisa, I'm delivering your present. Like akanzanga kwanto guys, kwanto kwa effort. I feel like he didn't even put effort, or he didn't even care, or he didn't even understand ukuthi like why kumele surprise-iwe, or what is a surprise. Like guys, I'm still failing to understand babe kusenzeka ntoni or kwakusenzeka ntoni that day. I mean guys, I'm still trying to understand, but ndiyafeyila uku-understand babe kusenzeka ntoni kulo mngani wakhe. Like ndifila ngathi akafakanga effort, ndifila ngathi akafakanga kwa effort. So ke nyani afike, hayi ke sana yo wabaya ngulowo ke sana surprised, but at the end of the day ke iye yakwazi ba eqhubeleke ibe surprised till the end. For sure ke nizazibonela on the clips ukuthi wenze kanjani ke sana xa efika. Guys, the way I was so broke, benisithi akho kwanto ezawulunga, like akho kwanto ezawulunga, but guys yazini, it's the thought that counts. Nami bendi-happy ngomsebenzi wami, even though ndiwubona uba umhlanga ncam, ndiwubona uba uyashota, ndiwubona uba awuna that vavavum, awunayo, like akho zinto ezi-enough man, andithenganga nto guys, khandimele nto, but I was so proud of myself, and I felt like, yes, you know what, a giving hand is way blessed than the receiving hand. Every time when uyamkela, uyamkela. Every time uyamkela. Nawe khawukhe wenze even if it's a small thing. So in other words guys, he really appreciated it, and he was very happy. Like uye enjoy your birthday. I'm sure you have seen from the clips, he was very happy. And ezinye ndizikhathile ke clips for some other reasons, but ndiye ndazikhatha. So guys, I hope you did enjoy the video, and if you watched up until this far, it means guys the video was popping. So why don't you just show appreciation? Like mtase, subscribe, share i-content kwabanye abantu. Guys, you've got nothing to lose. I'll add more data for like, I'll add more data for subscribe, I'll add more data for ukuthi uyishare i-content yami. You are just helping a girl. Guys, nisazobethwa lizulu nina mntakabawo. Uthi ngoku inhliziyo isithi like, abe isithi ingqondo andizulike, icutie ingqondo. Iphinde inhliziyo ithi share le video, ube usithi andizuyishare le video, uphinde futhi ithi inhliziyo, hey shema umntana abantu, subscribe kwi channel yakhe, ube usithi wena andizuyenza lonto, Guys, I wish lightning can locate you wherever you are. Ikuthi for not liking my video. Otherwise guys, love you loads. See you on the next one. Bye.